These mechanical presses are making some of the most advanced football gloves. Every stitch, every layer, and every millimeter is designed to improve performance. Because when the stakes are high at events like the World Cup, a single save can make or break the entire game.
लोगों को एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग आना चाहिए कि जितना इम्पोर्टेंट हमारा स्ट्राइकर है, शायद उससे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हमारा गोली है.
Many professional players order customized gloves from factories like this one in Pakistan, where workers make nearly 500,000 gloves a year. So we headed to Sialkot to see the craftsmanship behind one of football's most essential pieces of gear. The first goalkeeper gloves were patented in 1885 by an English manufacturer and made from leather. But it took nearly a century for the idea to catch on. For decades, players went barehanded or used gardening gloves or knit gloves for warmth and protection. It wasn't until 1973 that a German brand introduced gloves with a latex bomb, similar to today's models. After debuting at the 1974 World Cup, gloves became the standard.
कि आप 90s या 1990s या 1980s के gloves देखें और आप आज के gloves देखें, they're levels apart.
These days, Matrix Sports in Pakistan makes its gloves with imported materials, mainly latex, neoprene, and mesh from China or Germany. Every pair of gloves starts with detailed specifications, breaking down the exact materials and measurements. Workers unroll and cut the fabric so it can fit in the raw cutting machine.
वहाँ पे अगर कोई ग्लव्स हम बना रहे हैं तो उसकी एक भी कटिंग गलत हो गई है ना तो सारा जो खराब फिर दोबारा कटिंग करनी पड़ेगी उसको बनाने के लिए.
Then they start working on the palm of the gloves.
ठीक हो गया. ये इसकी फ्रंट पाम है. इसके बाद इसकी कटिंग होनी है जैसे कि गजट है, वेल्क्रो है, इलास्टिक है, ये सारी चीजें.
For Matrix's higher-end 88 model, that means using premium German latex, because the material is what gives players the grip they need to control the ball.
88 Pro Grip is basically the most premium model we have. You can say it's our pièce de résistance.
The latex used here is one of the most expensive materials in the glove, costing 22,000 rupees or about $80 per meter. Acquiring it can take months.
हमें वेंडर्स को हमारे सप्लाई चेन को बहुत minutely मॉनिटर करना पड़ता है.
In another part of the factory, workers start preparing the straps of the gloves. They add a special kind of coating to each sheet that keeps the ink from bleeding or cracking. Then, one by one, each panel is printed with the design.
ये जी हमारा पहला कलर है सियान जो लग रहा है. इसके दो कोट होने हैं.
After the ink dries, the straps are embossed to create a three-dimensional effect. Even these small details can be customized.
So we tailor our 88 Pro Grip according to each of the goalkeepers' measurements specific to their anatomical structure as how they would prefer it. Someone wants it a bit tighter, someone wants it a bit looser around the wrist for more control and less stability.
Their gloves have even been worn by the national teams of Norway and Denmark. This one was designed specifically for Danish goalkeeper Mads Hermansen.
The gussets you could see is special latex with fluoro yellow color specifically for him as per his taste.
The sides use premium latex instead of the mesh found on lower-end models. The neoprene backhand features a custom printed design, and a special notch is added between the thumb and index finger.
This is normally not available in the 88 Pro Grip. This is specially cut for him so he could have a better hand-like feel, anatomical feel to his grabbing ability.
For goalkeepers, that extra control can make the difference between gripping the ball and fumbling it. These days, goalies wear more protective gear than other players on the field. That's because this is one of the most dangerous positions in soccer. Many of them wear padded undershirts to protect their ribs when diving for the ball. Arm guards, knee pads, and padded shorts prevent turf burn, Some goalkeepers even wear headgear, and the gloves play a role in safety too. As these videos posted by FIFA show, the thick latex padding protects players' fingers from injury when blocking shots up to 80 miles an hour.
A brilliant save.
Matrix started producing just a few hundred gloves like these, mainly for Puma, back in the early 90s. Then came a turning point. Abdullah's father Arshad convinced the owner of a global company, Select Sport, to enter the glove market, landing an even bigger deal.
He was the one that brought them into that side. They were the ones who said that you recommended us, so you will be bringing us the product.
The Danish brand is one of the leading producers of football equipment in the world, so this partnership transformed Matrix's business. And in World Cup years, demand surges. So far in 2026, they've already produced 350,000 gloves. And 70% of the orders come from Select. Matrix works with them to create custom designs using a process called sublimation printing. First, the design is transferred onto a special paper. Then, the ink from the paper is pressed onto the fabric using heat, creating high-quality prints that won't crack, peel, or fade over time.
अब ये sublimation हो चुका है, अब इसके बाद इसकी cutting होनी है.
After the panels are cut, they're ready for embossing. Workers press each piece into custom molds that create different textures and patterns, giving the gloves their distinctive look and feel.
The beautiful effect you see on the gloves, the fingers, that is the embossing effect.
Once embossing is complete, the panels go through the die cutter. This step requires precision, so workers focus on stamping out just 20 gloves a minute.
That specifies what portion of the glove is going to be stitched against the latex and what portion is going to be stitched against the strap.
With all the separate pieces ready, the gloves arrive in the sewing area for final assembly, where one person can stitch about 60 pro-level gloves in a day. A well-made pair has about 12 stitches per inch.
एक्सपीरियंस बेस्ड काम है ये नहीं है कि आप कोई पढ़ के सीख सकते हैं तो ये आपको खुद ही फिजिकली सीखना पड़ता है जिसमें टाइम लगता है.
With so many intricate processes, regular quality checks are crucial.
और हमारा फिर जो सुपरवाइज़र है वो भी उसे तकरीबन दिन में 4 बार 5 बार और कभी कभी अगर अर्जेंट जो रहा हो या मुश्किल जो रहा है तो वो तकरीबन हर घंटे बाद 2 घंटे बाद वो जाके चेक करते हैं कि ये सही काट रहा है कि नहीं काट रहा.
Even though the company has high standards, it doesn't have to meet any requirements for FIFA because gloves aren't really regulated by the agency. Players can wear any type they want as long as they're made of soft, lightweight material and display the goalkeeper's name and their team emblem. But even top-of-the-line gloves don't last forever. Professional goalkeepers can go through up to 60 pairs in a single season, sometimes swapping in a new pair every match to maximize grip. But that can be costly because premium gloves like these can retail for nearly $160. For top players like Mads Hermansen, sponsorship deals help cover that expense, while also giving brands a chance to test their latest products on big stages. And when those gloves make it onto the field for major games, the team at Matrix can feel their impact.
तो जब हम फाइनल प्रोडक्ट इस तरह बनाते हैं और बेचते हैं तो जब हमें कस्टमर बताता है कि उसने पहना है, टेस्ट किया है, ग्राउंड में यूज़ किया है और जो प्लेयर हैं उनके वो बताते हैं कि बहुत अच्छी फीलिंग आ रही है तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमने कुछ अकम्प्लिशमेंट की है लाइफ में.